Here are some tips on using your LB88 air humidifier from Beurer. Pay attention to the instructions for use and safety notes. Remove the misting outlet nozzle. Then also remove the water tank, turn it over and undo the screwed plug. Fill the tank with no more than 6 liters of water. Fasten the screwed plug and place the tank back on the base unit. Place the air humidifier on a firm, level and water-resistant surface and connect it to the power supply. You can set the desired evaporation output using the control dial. The additional water evaporation function can be activated and increased to level 3 by pressing the middle control knob several times. To switch off the device, turn the control dial to on/off. We hope you enjoy using your LB88 air humidifier from Beurer. Stay healthy!